Hi friends, I am Mr. Pawar MG. Today we are going to learn the third one part of the lesson, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Before the first two part we have learned till page number 51. So today we are going to learn the next part of this lesson from page number 51 and page number 52. So if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel at firstly. Old Ganpat the beggar had a crooked leg. He had been squatting on the pavement for years. Here one of the new character is mentioned that, and that is one of the beggar. His name was Ganpat, and he was a very lame beggar. Here the new word is that crooked leg. Crooked leg, that means here crooked, that means not straight, that means सरळ नसलेला अपंग. And he had been squatting here again squatting, that means occupying, that means पाय दुमडून बसणे, on the pavement, on the side of the road for many years. Here is given explanation about that. तो म्हातारा गणपत भिकारी एका पायाने लंगडा होता. कित्येक वर्षापासून पाय मुडपून तो फुटपाथवर भीक मागत बसलेला असायचा. Calling for alms. Why he was sitting there? He was sitting for alms, 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 that means भीक मागणे, भिक्षा मागणे. For that he was sitting on the side of the road, on the pavement, for getting more and more money, earning money, so that he was working there as a beggar. Then next, in the evening someone would come with a barrow and take him away. And every day at the time of evening someone would come, that means someone would come. Here the word that grammar function says that habitual past would is used here. Whenever any one person has the habit and that habit had been completed by that person regularly, on that time would or used to should be used there. Here also is saying that in the evening someone would come with a barrow, 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 that means here craft. Barrow, that means cart, हातगाडी, कुणी and take him away, म्हणजे इथे संध्याकाळी कुणीतरी हातगाडीवरून त्याला घेऊन जायचे. He had never been known to walk. कुणीही त्याला कधी चालताना पाहिले नव्हते. That means with the help of barrow, with the help of cart, he would come on the pavement early in the morning. At the evening he went with some one person on sitting on the that cart. He had never been known to walk. त्यामुळे there was no one person to see him to walk on the road, to come or to go. म्हणजे त्याला जाता येता कोणी चालत असताना पाहिलेलं नव्हतं. But now on learning that the bank was about to collapse, and as he heard the news the bank is going to collapse, the bank नुकसान होणार आहे, the bank बंद पडणार आहे हे ऐकल्याबरोबर, means here on learning that the bank was about to collapse, Ganpat astonished everyone. Here astonished, surprised. आणि जेव्हा ही बातमी त्यांना कळाली, म्हणजे आता बँक बुडत आहे हे एक तास गणपतने उडी मारून आपल्या पायावर उभा राहिला आणि बँकेच्या दिशेने चक्क जोरात पळत सुटला. हे पाहून सगळेच लोक चाट झाले. म्हणजे गणपत astonished everyone, leaping to his feet. Leaping here, leaping that means jumping to his feet and actually running at top speed in the direction of the bank. आणि तो चलद वेगाने बँकेच्या दिशेने पळत सुटला. It soon became known that he had 1,000 rupees in saving. आणि नंतर समजले की त्याने 1,000 रुपये बँकेत जमा केले होते. And so that he was running towards the direction of the bank as possible as he could. So here that's was surprising thing. After listening the news of the bank is going to bankrupt or bank is going to collapse. Men stood in groups at street corners discussing the situation. Whenever every person who were living into Pipalnagar, they got the news the bank is collapsed. On that time, men collected in the groups on the street in the corner and they were discussing about the situation of the bank. लोक घोळक्या घोळक्याने रस्त्यावर उभे राहून या परिस्थितीबद्दल चर्चा करू लागले. स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर्स अँड डिस्कसिंग दॅट मीन चर्चा करणे. द सिच्युएशन म्हणजे परिस्थिती. Pipalnagar seldom had a crisis, seldom or never had floods, earthquakes or droughts. And here आजवर पिपळनगरमध्ये क्वचितच कुठले संकट आले होते. इथे कधीही पूर अथवा भूकंप अथवा दुष्काळाची परिस्थिती ओढावलेली नव्हती. हियर क्रायसिस दॅट मीन्स संकट, सेल्डम दॅट मीन्स संकट, फ्लूड्स म्हणजे महापूर, अर्थक्वेक म्हणजे भूकंप आणि ड्रॉट म्हणजे दुष्काळ. अशी परिस्थिती कधी आलेली नव्हती. त्यामुळे पिपळनगर बँकेतल्या लोकांनी असा धोका किंवा असे संकट अनुभवलेले नव्हते. अँड द इमिनंट क्रॅश ऑफ द पिपळनगर बँक set everyone talking and speculating and rushing about in a frenzy. And the imminent, IMMINENT, imminent that means standing above others in quality or position, and frenzy, FRENZY, that means fury, chitta-bhram, and one of the speculating, SPECULATING, chewing over, अंदाज बांधणे. आणि आता मात्र पिपळनगर बँक बुडणार या बातमीने अनंत प्रकारच्या चर्चांना तोंड फुटले होते. लोक वाटेल ते अंदाज बांधत होते आणि सैरभैर झाल्यासारखे वागत होते. इन दिस वे हियर हाऊ द पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट the Pipalnagar bank, how they were clever, they were talking about it, why I did not put my money into the bank. They also giving credit to himself. All these types of things were explaining or happening at the bank. So that here is one of the new word, imminent, that means standing above others in quality or position. Then again speculating that means chewing over, and frenzy that means here fury. In this way here are 3 new words and सैरभैर गप्पा मारत होते, बोलत होते. आपण आपल्या स्वतःच्या हुशारकीबद्दल बोलत होते. Some boosted of their farsightedness, congratulating themselves on having already taken out their money or on never having put any in. And also few of the people are there, they were boosted of their farsightedness, that means long sighted, that means dhorani, boosted that means boost, that means show off, badai marne. ते स्वतःबद्दल बडाई मारत होते, मी कसा धोरणी आहे. अँड कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग दॅम, आणि स्वतःचं अभिनंदनही करत होते. ऑन हॅविंग ऑलरेडी टेकन आउट देअर मनी, आपण अगोदरच कसे पैसे काढून घेतले त्याबद्दल स्वतःचं अभिनंदन करून बडाई मारत होते. ऑर ऑन नेवर हॅविंग पुट एनी इन, किंवा आपण त्यात पैसे कसे टाकले नाहीत याबद्दलही स्वतःबद्दल हुशारकी मारत होते. ऑदर्स स्पेक्युलेटेड ऑन द रिझन्स फॉर द क्रॅश, आणि काही लोक तर अनेक लोक या दिवाळखोरी मागची कारणे काय असतील याचे तर्क करत होते. पुटिंग इट ऑल डाऊन टू एक्सेसेस इंडल्ज्ड इन बाय सेठ गोविंदराम, आणि त्याचबरोबर सेठ गोविंदरामच्या उधळपट्टीमुळेच ही वेळ आली असे म्हणत होते. दे वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द मेन और द ओनर ऑफ द बँक, अँड हिज नेम वॉज सेठ गोविंद राम. हिअर इंडल्ज्ड इन म्हणजे दिवाळखोर वृत्ती. टूक पार्ट इन समवन और समथिंग, म्हणजे गोविंदराम इंडल्ज्ड इन बाय सेठ गोविंदराम, गोविंदरामच्या उधळपट्टीबद्दल, दिवाळखोरीबद्दल सगळे लोक चर्चा करत होते. द सेठ हॅड फ्लीड द स्टेट, द सेठ हॅड फ्लीड द स्टेट. हिअर फ्लीड म्हणजे पळून जाणे. सेठ गोविंदराम हे राज्य सोडून पळून गेलेत. सेड वन, समवन पर्सन सेड हिअर दॅट सेठ गोविंदराम फ्लीड द स्टेट, सेठ गोविंदराम हे राज्य सोडून पळून गेलेत. सेड वन, एक जण म्हणाला. ही हॅड फ्लीड द कंट्री, सेड अनदर, तोपर्यंत दुसरा म्हणाला की ही हॅड फ्लीड द कंट्री, ते तर देश सोडून पळून गेलेत. ही वॉज हायडिंग इन पिपलनगर, सेड थर्ड, तिसरा तोपर्यंत म्हणतो की ते पिपळनगरमध्येच लपून बसलेत. अँड ही हॅड हँगड हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द टॅमरिन ट्री, सेड अ फोर्थ, त्यातला चौथा म्हणतो की त्याने त्या चिंचेच्या मोठ्या झाडाला स्वतःला लटकवून घेतलेले आहे. अँड हॅड बीन फाउंड दॅट मॉर्निंग बाय द स्वीपर बॉय, आणि झाडूवाल्या मुलाने सकाळी त्यांना चिंचेच्या झाडाला फास लावून घेतलेले पाहिले होते. That means here the discussion was going on. Different types of people were going to discuss or going to talk about the different types of situations. What would happen when the bank was collapsed. Different opinions came there, and the situation was become critical on that particular day about the bank because of that sweeper boy. That news was spreading by himself at the early in the morning. By noon the small bank had gone through all. दुपारपर्यंत त्या एवढ्याशा बँकेला त्यातल्या रोख रकमेला असंख्य गोष्टींना तोंड द्यावे लागले. बाय नून इट इज अ फ्रेज दॅट मीन्स दुपारपर्यंत. द स्मॉल बँक, त्या छोट्याशा बँकेला, हॅड गॉन थ्रू ऑल इट्स रेडी कॅश अँड द हरॅस्ड मॅनेजर वॉज इन अ डिलिमा. हरॅस्ड मॅनेजर, हरॅस्ड दॅट मीन्स गांजलेला, वैतागलेला व्यवस्थापक. वॉज इन डिलिमा, डिलिमा म्हणजे द्विधा मनस्थितीमध्ये सापडला, म्हणजे गांजलेल्या बँकेचा सरव्यवस्थापक द्विधा मनस्थितीत होता. एमर्जन्सी फंड्स कुड ओनली बी ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम अनदर बँक सम 30 miles distant, and he wasn't sure he could persuade the crowd to wait until then. And here emergency fund, that means emergency money, could not be collected as possible as early because another bank was 30 miles away, and he was sure that manager was sure that it was not possible for him to persuade. That means here persuade, that means make someone to believe, khatri patavne, and he knew that it is not possible to pursue to the people, to the crowd, uh, to until the money will collect from the another bank. दुसऱ्या बँकेतून पैसे आणून देईस्तोवर ही गर्दी, लोक जमा झालेले खात्री त्यांना पटेल याची त्याला खात्री होती. अँड देअर वॉज नो वे ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्टिंग सेठ गोविंदराम ऑन हिज हाऊसबोट इन काश्मीर. आणि सेठ गोविंदरामना काश्मीरमधल्या हाऊसबोटवर कोणत्या प्रकारे संपर्क करणेही शक्य नव्हते. That means there was not possible to manager to contact with Seth Govindaram, and he could tell the situation about the bank by calling him. It was not possible for him. He was unable to contact with Seth Govindaram, so that he could stay remained, and he wanted to request to the people, to the crowd, I will give you your money. All these promises will be given by that manager to the crowd. Okay, thank you for watching my video. We will going to discuss remain part into the next part of this lesson. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.